Yo guys, it's B here, and today I want to show you guys something special. This is my Nissan Cefiro A31. So we picked this car up for £3,600 here in Thailand. You can probably get them for cheaper, but not one like this. This one had a few things done to it. So it had an engine swap, which I will show you guys what engine's inside. It's got a wide body kit, it's got a roll cage, it's got a lot of things done to it, and it's basically made for drifting. So let's start off with the wide body kit. As you can see, it is very wide and very aggressive. It is a bit boxy at the back, but I really like it. Love the style, love the way it looks. This is the front of it. So the previous owner told us that the body kit was made in Bangkok and it was handmade. Whether that's true or not, I'm not sure, but it does look very nice and it looks like it was made professionally. So that's very good. There is no flaws, nothing like that. Okay, now moving on to the wheels. We got Volk Racing semi-deep dish wheels that are gold. They are all missing central caps, unfortunately, and they do have a few scratches and marks on them as they have been used for a while, but they're not too bad and they do look very clean. So the rear tires are Dunlops 265 35 18s, so they are pretty wide. It's also got LSD on the back, so as soon as you floor this car, it just starts spinning straight away and it's perfect for drifting. Let's go. The car is basically straight piped from the front to the end. There is just one silencer on the back, which maybe potentially we will even remove. But for now, it does sound very nice and I will start it up once I show you guys the engine that's in it. Now, the front of the car is crazy. It is basically an R32 front end. So you got the front bumper, that's from R32. You got the headlights from R32, and you got the bonnet from R32 as well. As you can see, if you look from the front, it basically does resemble an R32. Again, I did say, of course, there is a few things wrong with the car. So here you can see a mark on the bonnet there, which is not very nice, but we will get that painted. It's not a problem. The wheels on this side look like this. They are pretty clean, and this is a back wheel as well. Now, the one thing that does really annoy me about this car is the color mismatch. As you can see here, the door and the back panel is completely two different colors, and you can see that, and so is this door, to be honest. But then this door also does have a yellow mark here as well. Don't know if you can see that on the camera, but that is annoying. And yeah, both doors would have to be spray painted. Now, the car does also have a sunroof, which is working perfectly. There is no rust or anything like that over there. Now, let me show you guys the interior of the car, but before I do, let me show you guys the seats, because we have changed them. So right now, inside the car, there is leather seats. These are the seats that were there before, so they are just fabric seats. As you can see, that is the back seat, that is the back seat as well, and then you've got the two front seats over here. But let me show you guys the seats that are inside now, because they do look much better, well, in my opinion. So this is the interior of the car right now. So as you can see, there's a drift steering wheel, there's a roll cage, and these are the seats that we have fitted in. They are very nice, clean, no scratches, no marks on them, both of these. And these are the back seats. Again, they are very nice and clean. Then also, we did have to change the door panels. They're not as clean as the seats, but they will do for now. They are still leather door panels, so I did have to change all 4 door panels as well. And obviously, I fitted the seats, and yeah, I love the way it looks inside now. It does get pretty hot, of course, but it's something for something, right? Now, the worst thing about the car, it is an auto, unfortunately. But like I said, it did have an engine swap, so the gearbox was swapped as well, and the plastic here is missing. I did buy one from the old Cefiro I found, but it doesn't fit because the gearbox is different. It's also missing a radio, which I do have, which I will be fitting as well. But like I said, automatic, but you can still have a lot of fun with it. Like I said, as soon as you floor it, the car goes sideways, and it's perfect for drifting. But let me show you guys underneath the engine hood right now, and show you what's in there. So the original engine in the Cefiro is an RB20, but right now there is a 1JZ straight from the old Supra that's sitting in here. As you can see, it is pretty dirty. Nothing has been cleaned yet. Also, the engine bay does need painting because it's blue, but forget that for now. It does have a cold air intake, and it is the 2.5 litre 1JZ inline 6. It is stock, so it's 276 horsepower. But man, this car sounds amazing. Let me start it up for you guys so you can hear it. Honestly, the sound is just crazy. Right, let's start this thing and listen to it. Damn. So this car sounds so good, it's unreal. The engine works so perfectly that you can put a coin on the engine and the coin won't even fall off or anything like that. It's perfect. So yeah, the car sounds amazing, and like I said, I love everything about it. So that's it for today's video, but please subscribe and share the video. I will release some more videos with the Cefiro in Thailand, maybe some drift videos. We will see how it goes. So yeah, peace out and see you guys later.